You type? Do you see anybody typing anything? I gotta go through my. Sorry, guys. I'm trying to prolong this as much as possible to eat this because I don't want to eat this. Just so you guys know. Oh my god. Raining hot chip. Yeah, I see that. I see that. I see y'all. I see all of y'all. Okay, so we're just gonna keep it like that. Can't even pin the comment right now. Okay, well, okay. Okay, well, yeah, I'm trying. Trying, okay? Let me, Alright, guys, I'm gonna take a little bit of, little bite. While we're waiting for Mr. Scott. Scott, where are you? Guys, make sure if you haven't done so already, make sure you hit that follow button. This is what I do to entertain you guys. And yeah, which one would you guys like me to do first? This one?
The one with the penis.
The one with the penis. You guys are so mean. This little piece here. I don't know if y'all can see that. You can see that from the camera. I can see that from my side. Like this little. Oh my god, man! I can't do this. I can't. Can I refund y'all? Can I refund all of you? Is that how it works? To not eat this? It feels weird. It feels weird, man. Because it feels weird. I don't know what to do. I don't want to do this. Huh? What? It's soft, but this piece is hard. That's why is it hard?
Don't try and cut it. You have to bite that.
You want me to bite that?
Oh my god, I'm dying.
Oh my god, man. I don't want to eat this.
Oh no.
Okay, I gotta. It's jiggly. Yes, it's jiggly. It's so jiggly. Okay, I got hot sauce, okay? Now. Just eat it. Yeah, you want to try? Oh my god. Where's the bucket?
Hot sauce.
But where's the bucket or something I can throw up in? Just in case.
You gotta thank your wife for this. You gotta remember that.
I gotta thank your wife for this. I gotta remember that. She's mean. Oh my god. Okay, so I got a bucket to throw up just in case, guys. It may happen. I don't know. I don't know what it's gonna taste like. I don't know. Gonna close my eyes. Oh. Alright. Ready. It's the worst. Yes, it is the worst. This is my little old school Blockbuster bucket that we don't care about because I'm gonna throw up in it. Okay. 1, 2. Oh, she gave me napkins. Nice. 1, 2.
Don't puke yet. Too early. Oh, shrimp.
Stop talking. I can't swallow it. I can't swallow it.
Oh, you have to swallow it.
Just suck it up and swallow. Pinch your nose.
Thanks, friend.
That penis thing is still in my mouth. It's hard.
Erica says it's good for your skin. Just swallow.
Oh my god, I just swallowed it. Oh my god. Oh. I would say thank you, Sean, for the 150, but oh.
Oh my god, I'm in tears.
I hear his wife laughing at me in the background. Oh my god.
Ew.
Baby, give me a kiss. Oh my god, that was horrible.
Oh, she's gotta give you a kiss for that.
Okay, you have to give me. Yeah, they said you have to. A small kiss.
Oh, that's not.
What do you mean that's not fair?
No,
That's
not
fair for me.
No.
What does it taste like? What can I say that it tastes like, guys?
It's like chicken.
No, it does not taste like chicken. No, it does not taste like chicken. Does not taste like chicken. Does not taste like beef. Doesn't taste like any human food. What can I say?
It's like intestines.
No, it doesn't. No, it does not. It tastes something that I've never tasted before. And I'm Asian, and I eat some weird ass shit. I'm not gonna lie. I eat some weird ass shit. This was weird, and like the texture is like, oh, I can't get the taste out of my mouth. Hold on. The taste. It's like I don't know what it is. It's just like weird, like maybe like liverish, but not liver because it tastes worse than liver. Like it's a weird ass taste. I don't know how this can be good for anybody. Yes, it tastes like bull's testicles. It tastes just like bull's testicles, guys. I don't know if you've had it, but that's what it tastes like. It tastes like bull's testicles. So that was my one bite. Scott, where are you? Are you in this game chat yet? I see you talking. It is kind of greedy, yeah. It's gritty. Kidney texture, not so much. I've eaten kidney, like, but I barbecued kidney, so I don't know how it would taste like. But it just, yeah, it's not appetizing at all. I'll tell you that much. So I'm very happy that we can play a game. Let me just switch up the camera here, because I can play a game and not think about it for like 20 minutes. Hopefully we don't die quickly.
When you
Your teammate is on the
Oh my god, this guy was hiding in there. Oh my god, man. Oh my god. You gotta eat when you die, then you'll eat the whole thing quick. What? No? Oh, I hate you guys. Here we go. All right, here comes another one. Yeah, good Donato.
It's nothing.
what?
It's nothing.
All right. Switch it up for you guys so you can see me while they're playing. Here it is. I don't know if you can see that. The weird ass. That's the one like that came out like that after I boiled it. This one stayed like a ball. Or a testicle, I guess you could say. Get some hot sauce right here. I gotta open my drink. There goes Donato.
We will settle this. Come on. You can do.
Yes, I'm putting on a new glove. Yes, I am. Yes, I am. All right. Okay, here we go. Guys, make sure you guys hit that follow button if you haven't followed already. Trying to talk to you as much as I can so I don't have to eat this.
Met a girl like that.
Dropping doesn't make it better, you know.
What? I couldn't hear you. You got something in your mouth.
It sounds like you have balls in your mouth when you talk.
Oh. Now I know why they gagged in Fear Factor, guys. Oh my god. That was only bite number 2. And it doesn't look like I did any damage to this thing. You're mean. Oh my god, I need to reload! Stupid!
He's right there! He's reloading.
Oh no! 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 Ah, my stupid reload, man! I don't want to die. No! Why? Why? Oh, why?
There, I'm going.
Oh my god! I'm throwing up before thinking about it. I'm trying not to think about it. How's Crazy Shot in the game? How? How's he in the game? I don't want to eat this, Erica. Like, you guys don't know how bad it tastes. Like, you don't. Yeah, buy me back.
PlayStation.
You serious right now? God.
Of course, I'm being tracked.
I'm gonna douse it with hot sauce this time. Okay, oh, I don't want to do it. It's happening.
There it is, right there.
Even putting a lot of hot sauce doesn't work. It's the texture. It's horrible. I forgot.
Damn, you got stream snipe hard.
Oh my god. Oh my, oops, I backed up by accident.
Oh, they totally streamed.
Do I have to bite? Do I have to bite it again?
Yeah, you lost. You're dead.
I just bit it though. Did he kill me again? He killed me again.
Let me kill you again.
I think he killed me again. I think that's what he said. Oh my god. You guys want me to do it again? This is like the worst thing ever in my life right now. I hate you, Sean. I hate you. Very much so. I can't believe Sean was in the same game and killed my ass to eat. I hate you. They are not good, Jessica. They are not good. Good. Oh. I'm like not looking forward to eating this one. Because this one looks like a ball.
They're chicken nuggets. You should have deep fried those son of bitches.
Well, that's the thing. I would want to deep fry them, but my viewers are assholes. And they wanted me to boil them. They want me to suffer. Like, look at this one.
Who told you to boil them?
My wife was one. And whoever was there agreed with her. And that's what happened.
Because I don't even know how you would cook them, so that wasn't me.
Oh my god. No, I got hot sauce. Oh my god, guys. This is not fun. Like, I have a headache.
You're just thinking too much about it.
Okay, what am I thinking? I'm thinking lobster,
You got nothing
shrimp,
in your mouth.
shrimp, lobster, shrimp, shrimp and lobster, guys. Shrimp and lobster, shrimp and lobster,
So, bro.
shrimp and lobster. Each with another 500. Bro, thank you so much.
Just hit play on the game and just take a bite, so you can hurry up and get it over with.
Okay, okay. No, I don't want it to hit play because then if I lose again, I have to eat again.
Well then, don't die.
You know, if you ever see a bull again, you're not gonna look at it the same way.
No.
Oh no.
Holding for deployment. Take this time to warm up.
Check.
Enemy dropping into the AO.
Oh.
I think you should eat the scrotum next time.
Ah, you missed.
Oh my god. Uh-huh. So this is the issue, guys. I tried not to bite it and like just swallow it. The problem is because I had it boiled, I had to boil it with some of the membrane, and the membrane keeps all this mushy, weird ass tasting thing together. So if I would swallow it, I'd probably choke. So I have to chew it and break down the membrane. Like, does that sound weird to you guys? I have to break down the foreskin, okay? Guys, I have to break down the foreskin in order for me to eat it and not to die.
War is over. Stand by for deployment to the war zone.
He's right down the hill. He's looking at you.
Play it up, play it up, play it up. Take it slow, play it up. Oh, no. No! Nice try, bro.
You were close to victory. We'll come back stronger next time.
All right. It's the time.
Get it now.
Yeah, I do. F you. I hate you, Donato. All right, Wallace, you can come in. Gary, we will switch you up. I'll play 2 games.
Anyways.
Sounds good, but yeah, I'm gonna.
It looks like you're almost done with the first one.
Yeah, almost done. I'm wondering if I should put it all in my mouth and
Do it.
ah. I can't do it. I can't do all of it.
It's Bianca. She said she was gonna help you.
What did you get?
You gotta take a bite though. Did you even have anything? Looks like you took the whole thing out.
Oh, what the?
Mm-mm. Mm-mm.
Come on, don't be a pussy. Just do it. It
Oh,
smells
you heard
so good. I don't even
You heard her?
Oh my god, do you remember what it looked like with all that dirt and stuff? It stinks. Now you have it in your mouth. Disgusting. Are you eating it or you like to take it? Oh yeah, circle ball. This thing good. I can see all the
Oh, I swallowed it. Oh my god.
You're so
I'm mean?
You covered your ears. That's not fair.
That's not. You're mean. Thank you for the 50. Everybody. Thank you for the 50.
Start the game.
Okay.
Ready. Ready.
Oh.
We lost that one. We'll come back stronger next time.
Oh man. This game's not fun, guys. Yeah. Here. Why is everybody so quiet? I don't think the sauce is working. Can you give me the Maggie sauce?
We're just waiting to see it.
What are you waiting for?
Waiting for you to take a bite.
I'm gonna finish one ball.
So weird.
Hmm?
Why are they blocked?
And it only took you an hour and a half to do it.
Listen, Donato, I can take my time, okay?
I think we should start putting time limits on this.
There's hair on it!
Ew. Come on, just put it out.
I bet your wife disagrees on that though.
Hmm.
Yeah, babe.
Ah! Ah! I don't know. Ah! One's done, guys. Ah! I can't do the other one, babe. I can't. I can't do the other one. I can't. I can't do the other one. I shouldn't cover my eyes? I don't know.
Every time you do that, I feel like I think that my phone is.
Scott with a 25, thank you. I'm gonna try to do this for you guys. I'm probably gonna throw up. Let's do this. Okay. Do another one. Are you guys here? Can you hear me?
Yeah, I'm watching.
Yeah, I'm watching.
I think you should have an easier challenge one for sure. It'll make a lot of sense. Because guys, this is not good. But yeah, there's foreskin that I'm not supposed to be eating. That was on it on this one. So take that out. Oh my god. Any more sauce? There's flies around me. That's not a good sign. I caught a fly in here. I don't want to eat this, man. How much protein a nut? I don't know. Guys, I'm trying to finish this off. Thank you guys for, at least we hit 32% of our goal. Maybe some of y'all don't think it's that gross. This is the most reactions I've ever gotten in my life. 23 reactions in this thing. Okay, here's another one. I think there's like 2-3 more bites. 3 more bites. Oh, what happened to Wallace? He left? He doesn't wanna see what's going on?
Yo, hungry, you need one, bro?
Let me see. You can stay on.
Okay, bet.
Just trying to finish these both testicles. I'm eating on live air.
Oh,
You're not watching me, bro?
how are they?
They're not good.
No, man, I haven't been watching, like, cause my phone, it's been like so, bogged down. It always skips on the Twitch. So I literally, well, Facebook's not as bad. I know you're on Facebook.
Yeah.
I know that.
Trying to finish this, guys.
But I can even remember where I put my damn phone. Oh, Lord. Somewhere in here, bro. I had just gotten out of the shower. I smelled like a campfire still from last night. So you said they're not good.
No.
That's what you said? Well, you know that was on Fear Factor before, bro.
Yeah.
You know that, right?
Yes, I do.
Yeah, he said, yep. He said, yes, I do. I didn't know if you knew that, but yes, you are correct.
Oh my god, guys. One more bite.
I imagine yours look better.
Yeah. No, they were boiled. Bad. Really bad.
Like not even a chicken taste at all.
No, 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 no. I wish it tasted like chicken, guys.
I would imagine so. So, like, can you explain like a food that's near similar tasting?
I don't even know what to tell you. It doesn't taste like anything. It tastes horrible. The bull's testicles taste horrible, guys. I don't know who eats them.
So, like,
Horrible.
you know, tuna's pretty bad.
What's up, Roy Nelson? Guys, make sure if you haven't done so already, hit that follow button. This is what I do. Unfortunately, this is what I do. I don't like what I do. I don't like it. But...
Oh, ain't nothing wrong with that. Come on now.
Oh man, this is so bad. Okay, I got one more left. I just been trying to swallow it. All right. The last one, guys. My plate is empty. My plate is empty. I'm probably gonna throw up after this, guys. I'm not. I really feel like throwing up. I've been feeling like throwing up for a while now.
Yeah, it's fine. I don't really care.
Shaking.
You can do it.
Ah! Finish this damn thing.
Put that on your resume.
Yeah, right? Oh. I'm done. That's it. I finished it. All right, guys. Whew. Let's start the game. I can't. I'm done. Thank you, guys. I hate you guys for this one. This was a horrible challenge, guys. Horrible challenge.
Worst challenge so far, huh?
Worst ever challenge ever in my life. Worst.
Okay.
Yeah, I hate you guys. All right, thank you and hate you. I do need to throw up, so. Oh my god, guys, that was horrible. I feel like throwing up though. In all seriousness.
Check your gear and weapons. We go soon.
I might have to step out for a second. Need to throw up.
Enemy dropping into the AO.
Yeah, I think I need to throw up. I'm gonna go throw up. Give me 1 second, guys. I'm gonna throw up.
Now.
Molotov!
Molotov!
I can hear this.
Molotov. I got the black shot.
Battle Royale. Avoid the gas. Get to the safe zone.
Oh my god.
I got the black shot.
Oh, he's puking. He's puking. Oh my god.
Robbed on bounty contract.
Yeah, he's throwing up.
a good spot.
About 20 people jumping. Team behind you guys, hungry. Behind you, Donut. Behind you, Donut.
Yeah.
Team here.
Yeah, there.
Team on purple.
Hunt the enemy down.
Team was behind us, or up in front of us actually, on purple. Alright, you guys want me to grab this bounty?
Yeah, you can grab it.
Look at Orange, he's got all kinds of money. He's a stud.
Objective
That
is to
really
eliminate
tastes.
the bounty target.
That's that.
Yeah, I threw up, guys.
Oh no.
I threw up really bad.
Get off the screen.
Oh my god.
I got one on me.
Down!